There is BONCHAT app. It's a quite interesting app, private or on-premise service deployment. Welcome to BONCHAT, your ultimate solution for secure and private communication. With BONCHAT, you can enjoy seamless messaging, file sharing, and collaboration, all protected by state-of-the-art end-to-end encryption. So seems this app is kind of alternative to Signal or some other apps in this category. So take control of your data with our private or on-premise service deployment option. Host BONCHAT on your own servers for total peace of mind, knowing that your communication is secure and under control. So user-friendly interface, cross-platform support, and yeah, this is a Hong Kong company. End-to-end encryption, and then it kind of looks like WhatsApp. You can see all these like group messages, and yeah, that's the idea. And then yeah, when you open it up, you need to enter server ID, IP, or domain to basically join this BONCHAT server. You can also just scan QR code to join it. So seems you still need to kind of purchase that to completely to start running the server, I guess. So it's not it's not that just you download the app and you just have it. Nope, you need basically to go to their site BONCHAT BONCHAT.app, and then you will get that. So yeah, and then as you can see, this is not very cheap app. So let's just take a look. So here you can go to the website BONCHAT app. So this is their server. So as you can see, there is a download button where you can just download it. But that's just the app. If you wanted to run the server and do like the full deployment, then you will need to buy that. So at the moment there is only iOS app, with private and on-premise deployment, you have complete control over your data. It's powerful group management features and user-friendly interface. So then you can tap purchase. And then there is one product, which is BONCHAT, $6,000. As you can see, so it's not cheap. And then, yeah, you can see that there is billing cycle monthly. And then you can see if you want a 15,000 accounts, 3,000 daily active users, 30,000 account, 300,000 registered, 50,000, then it could be $20,000 per month. But the cheapest option is 6K. So then it includes like your cloud server, and then this is additional cloud server, and then there is AI translation GPU. If you wanna, then this is additional money you need to pay. So it's, I don't know whether this is like, so this is basically how you can just sign up and set it up. So this is not easy to start. This is not like, like Signal, but I guess this can be helpful for you if you want to run a real like secure chat in your company, in your group or something like that. So yeah, kind of interesting trending app.